Hi, and welcome to Learner's Coach. So today we are going to look at an affiliate program provided by Hostpinnacle. For those who don't know, Hostpinnacle is a web hosting company, right? So what it does is that it pays you some commission once you refer clients to its page, right? So not only referring them to the page, but if there's a successful sign up and they host their websites with Hostpinnacle, then you are guaranteed to earn some commission. Yeah. So the reason as to why it ranks as the best in Kenya is that it pays you almost 50% of the commission. Yeah. Now, what is an affiliate program? This program allows you to earn some commission on behalf of the said company. Yeah. So if, for example, you refer a particular person to host with Hostpinnacle, based on the packages that they are going to choose, Hostpinnacle is going to give you some amount. Yeah. So in reality, you can see the hosting packages that Hostpinnacle provide, yeah, and the payments that the clients pays, yeah, and the commission that you're going to get, yeah, if you successfully refer a particular person to host with them, yeah. So I think this is one of the, it's one of the best affiliate programs that have come across. Yeah, they are actually generous, right? So what you need to do is just to click on the link within the description so that you sign up immediately as an affiliate. Yeah, so you can say it's a lot of money if you can refer, for instance, let's say around 10 people per month. Yeah, you get good money, right? So ranges is between 500 to 5,000 commission per client. So it depends with which or what package the client signs up for. Yeah, so it is real that you can earn over 60,000. Yeah, and then once you have gotten the commission, you have to wait for 30 days for you to get your money. So the steps are very simple. Yeah, if you come to this particular page of theirs, you're going to see what this particular program is all about. Yeah, so you really don't need to have a blog. Yeah, you can share it across your social media platforms. Yeah, and so on and so forth. So there are a lot that this particular affiliate program offers, not only referrals to web hosting, but also those people who come to do reseller hosting. Also, that one you will get paid, right? Now, people just say that does it really pay? Yeah, does Hostpinnacle affiliate program really pays? Of course, I'm talking based out of experience. So you can see this is I signed up with them just recently, and I can say that I like what I'm seeing. So let me just log in. Yeah. So you can see so far I have 220 clicks and 2 signups. You can see, yeah. So one of my commission has already matured, so I'm still waiting for this 750. Yeah. So I just signed up recently. You can see 2 signups per month. So I hope I'll be getting more signups. Yeah. So this is a great way of making money using Hostpinnacle. So for the lovers of affiliate marketing, feel free, click on the link below. Then you can start earning your money the way you can see I'm doing. Now, if you have any further questions, you can always reach to this particular website and they'll answer your questions using the chat platform that you can see here. All right, thank you.